Hey everybody, it's Neil and Penny, and she is sitting here on the table, but I'm going to show you guys some toys that I got for her. I got the set of, it's like dog ropes toys, and so I'll show you all the different toys, and then we will give them all to her, and she can play with them. So we have a little rubber, little chewy thing here. She's very interested. We have this big rope here, so these are good for aggressive chewers because they're not stuffed animals. She'll chew up a stuffed animal in no time. Look at the size of this rope. It's as big as her. And then here we got another ball here. Sorry, got plastic stuff all over. We have one of these spike balls. Oh, and then one of these balls here. She has a couple of those. We have this little chewy one here. This is good for her with her teething. We have the bag holder for the poop bags, and then it comes with 1, 2, 3 rolls of poop bags. That's always good to have. She goes through those very fast. Another rope here. And another big rope here. So I'm going to give all these to her, and she can go play with them. How sweet is that? Let's go. There you go, Penny. Go play. You want all these toys? Here you go. And here she is playing with the toys. Very cool. You like it? Thumbs up. Thumbs up for sure. Very cool.